Okay, how do we do this? Distribute. Yes, we're going to distribute. Okay, so this is 3x squared times 5x minus 3x squared times 7. Okay, you should all be writing this example down.
And this multiply.
This is multiplying. So when we multiply, so now we have 3 times 5, which is 15. What's x squared times x? X cubed. Minus 3 times 7, which is 21, x squared. All right, want to do another one? Yes, please, Mrs. Murray, please.
That's fine, I remember it.
Let's do negative 5a to the third times 8a squared plus 6a minus 2. Okay. So for now, I want you writing everything out. So this is going to be negative 5a to the third times 8a squared, right? We're distributing, so we have to take this negative 5a to the third and we have to multiply it by everything. So the next one, we'll go over to the 6a. So that's going to be plus negative 5a to the third times 6a. And then we'll go over to the negative 2. So that's going to be plus negative 5a to the third times negative 2. Okay, that gives us negative 40a to the what? Fifth, yes. Plus, now I've got negative 5 times 6, so that's negative 30a to the fourth plus positive 10a to the third. We can change that middle term there. We can make that a minus, but you don't have to. Okay? You don't have to. Questions? So this was review from last week, right? Okay. So today we are going to learn how to FOIL, or refresh our memories on how to FOIL. Okay. So when we distribute when we multiply a binomial times a binomial, right? This is a binomial because there are two terms, right? A binomial times a binomial. We use what we call the FOIL method. And FOIL method is distributing also. It's just a way of remembering how to distribute it so we don't forget. Okay? So if we were FOILing, right? The F, what does the F stand for? First. The O stands for outer. The I, you should be writing this down. The I stands for inner. And the L stands for last. Right. So if I look at the two parentheses, What's the first term in each parenthesis? What's the first term in the first parenthesis? The 3x. What's the first term in the other parenthesis? 5x. So here's my first term. This is my f. So we're going to do 3x times 5x first. Okay. Plus. Now we're going to do the outer terms. Well, these are the outer terms, the terms on the outside edges. So it's going to be, right, there's my first. Then we're going to do 3x times 6. There's my outer. Okay, and then we're going to do inner. So here's the inner right here. So this is plus 2 times 5x. That's the inner. It's the terms that are on the inside, right? And this is outer, this is inner. And then last will be the 2 times the 6. There's my last. First, outer, inner, last. I'll give you a second to copy that. Okay. I'm going to go back, make sure you understand where the first, outer, inner, and last came from. Okay, let's look at it again. The first terms. These are my first terms right here. It's the first term in each parenthesis. That's my first. The outer. These are the two terms on the outside edges. So those are my outer terms. Inner, that's the two terms on the inside. So there's my inner. And then last, that's the last term in each parenthesis. Okay. Once you know where the first, outer, inner, and last are, the rest is pretty simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and simplify this. What do we get with the 3x times 5x? 15x squared. X squared. X times x is x squared. Plus, what's 3x times 6? 18x. Plus 2 times 5x, so that's 10x, plus 12. Okay, now I notice that there are some like terms here. So what do we do? Combine them, good. So we have 15x squared plus 28x plus 12. We're done. Okay. Foiling is the same thing as distributing. It's just a way of remembering, make sure we take care of everything. I'm going to show you how to do this without foiling. Okay. So we're looking at 3x plus 2, 5x plus 6. Is that right? Yeah. Okay, so if we don't use a FOIL method, we're going to distribute. So that means we take this first term, this 3x, and we multiply it by everything in the other parenthesis. Right? So 3x times 5x plus 3x times 6. And then I take the next term, the 2, and I multiply it times everything in the other parenthesis. So we do 2 times 5x plus 2 times 6. So we take the 2 and we go to everything in the other parenthesis. Well, if you notice, 3x times 5x, those are the first terms. So there's my first. 3x times 6, that's the outer terms. The 2 times 5x is the inner. And the 2 times 6 is the last. So FOILing is simply distributing. It's just a way to remember how to distribute. Okay? Okay, let's have you try one by yourself. Okay, you're going to do 2x minus 4 times 3x plus 2. See if you can do that one yourself. Okay. Jordan, what'd you get? Or tell me how to do it. Don't tell me what you got. Tell me how you did it. What did I call you? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I say Jordan?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
So you
Why would I say Jordan? Where did that come from?
2x and 30. You want to
I'm sorry. Go ahead. 2x, yep.
And then 3x
Good.
plus -4. And then or plus 6.
Okay.
And then 6x too. Squared.
Is that it? Are you done with that?
You want me to keep my guy?
Yep.
That would be, I thought that was it for that.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone have anything else? Yep. And I.
You can do 2x times 2. -4 times 3x.
Okay. Right? First, outer, inner, last. Okay, so this gives us 6x squared plus -8 plus 4x plus -12x, which gives us 6x squared minus 8 minus 8x. Are we good? Yeah, let's put it in the right order, right? Put it in standard form. So what's the right order supposed to be? Good. There you go.
Why would we square the 6x?
Because x times x is x squared. Okay. Okay, let's try another one. Did I move off of that too fast? Okay, let's do 6x plus 5 times 3x minus 7. Arithmetic attendance. Yeah, yes I did. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Ava, what should we do here?
You want me to say what numbers?
Yes.
Okay. 6x times 3x
Okay, good. That's the first, right? That's the F. Mm-hmm.
plus 6x times -7.
Good. There's our outer.
And then 5 times 3x.
Here's the inner.
And then 5 times -7.
Very good. And that's the last. First, outer, inner, last. Okay. Tony, what do we get? Mm, 5 times 3 is 15x. Good. Okay, so we're going to combine our like terms. So here we have like terms. So we have 18x squared minus, let's say 42 minus 15 is 27x minus 35. We're done. Okay. Okay, I have a worksheet for you, a classwork worksheet. When you finish this, you're going to upload it to Google Classroom, and then we'll go over it, and then we have homework. Okay. All right, so number 1, right? We're doing first, outer, inner, last. So we will have, let's see here. Jakaya, what are we going to get here? Now tell me the process.
It's not showing up.
Thank you very much.
8 times 3 plus 8 times -6 plus 8 times 3a plus 8 times -6.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. All right. When we multiply that out, we get 3a squared minus 6a plus 24a minus 48. Oops. So that gives us 3a squared. Now here's our like terms. So we're going to have plus 18a minus 48. Okay? Okay. Some space here. Number 2, we're going to do 6x times 6x, which gives us 36x squared. And then we're going to do 6x times -5, which gives us negative 30x. 2 times 6x gives us plus 12x. And then 2 times -5 gives us negative 10. So we have 36x squared minus 18x minus 10. You can do it like that and show your work like that, okay, if you're comfortable with it. Questions on that one? Okay, number 4. I'll go back. It's just a matter of scrolling down the pages and you'll easier. So let's see, we've got 3k squared plus 2k minus 18k minus 12. That gives us 3k squared minus 16k minus 12. Everybody good? Okay, let's look at number 3. So number 3, how can we approach that one? Because it looks different, right? So what can we do? Allie, what did you do?
I distributed the
So what does that mean if it's k plus 2 squared? What does that actually mean? K plus 2 times k plus 2. Right, we're multiplying it by itself. So when we do that, we're actually going to get a different answer, right? So this is going to give us k squared plus 2k plus 2k plus 4, which gives us k squared plus 4k plus 4. And so that's a very common mistake, is that people distribute that and make it k squared plus 2 squared. Okay, so that's a common mistake. You can't distribute the exponent. Okay, the only time that you can distribute the exponent is when you have something like 2k squared like that. Now, what's the difference between k plus 2 squared and 2k squared? This is k plus, this is times. So if something is multiplied inside the parenthesis, then you can distribute the exponent. If it's added inside the parenthesis, you cannot distribute the exponent. Okay. Okay. Who's got an answer for number 5? Okay, Anya.
I did it like the different way, like the one that you told us how to like distribute it.
That's okay.
Okay. I got 64x squared minus 24x plus 16x minus 6. After like doing,
Right? That's fine.
and then you have to combine the like terms, which is 24x and 16x. You get 8x. And then,
Good. And by the way, even though in your mind you did it differently and you distributed, it's actually exactly the same thing. So that's good. Very good. Okay. Number 6. Caden.
I got 30x squared plus 18x minus 25x minus 15.
Which gives us
30x squared minus 7x minus 15.
excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay. Questions, anyone? Okay, Shayna, number 7.
I got 30x squared plus 18x minus 10x minus 6.
Okay, which
Then I got 30x squared plus 8x minus 6.
perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. All right, Caroline, number 8.
I got 18k squared minus 15x plus 12x plus 10, which is 18x squared minus 3x plus 10.
How'd you get plus 10?
2 times. Oh, is it minus?
Minus 10, right. So 18k squared minus 3k minus 10. Okay. We good? Okay, Zanai, number 9.
3k squared minus 30k minus 12k plus 10.
Okay, 36k squared, right? I think
Yeah,
you just
36.
misread your paper. Yep. Minus 30k minus 12k plus 10. Good. And that gives us?
36k squared minus 42k plus 10k.
Good. Excellent.
Minus 10, how about?
Plus 10. Negative 2 times negative 5 plus 10.
Yeah, plus 10. Minus 10.
Okay. Ronnie, how about the last one?
6k squared plus 12k plus 2k plus 4.
Okay,
So you get 6k squared plus 14k plus 4.
perfect. Outstanding. Okay, anybody have any questions on the FOIL method before I give you your homework worksheet? Okay, remember, homework worksheet means you should expect